Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with Sora 2. Sora 2 is a brand new AI video generator and the videos are extremely high quality. They are going viral all over the internet, especially in the short form context, so YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram and Facebook Reels. And you can also put them on Snapchat or any other platform that has vertical short form videos. So basically I've been doing some testing with the videos I've been creating on Sora 2, and I've had a hard time getting them monetized on YouTube and also on TikTok. One of the main problems is that they have a large Sora AI watermark on them. I'm going to give you some really good information about the best place that you can be posting these videos. And that place is on Facebook Reels, because Facebook have a creator rewards program that will pay you around $200 to $300 per million impressions that you get on any posts that you make on a Facebook page. You can build a Facebook page up quite quickly using a new follower campaign, just paying for some ads, or you can start a brand new Facebook page and just start posting a couple of reels every day and hope to grow organically, although that will take a little bit longer. If you already have a Facebook page, the minimum requirements to enter the Creator Rewards program are 10,000 followers on the page. I started a brand new Facebook page about 10 days ago, and I've been running a $10 a day new follower campaign, and I've already got that up to around 6,000 followers. So I'll be over those 10,000 followers probably by the end of this week. That is the real shortcut to getting into the monetization program. I just want to show you what the potential is, because I see these accounts popping up all over the place and they post only a couple of times a day. This is a medium to small Facebook page. It only has 100,000 followers. But if you look at the reels that they've been posting, they are all Sora 2 generated reels, and you should see some of the numbers they're pulling. So $300 per million views is amazing, because these guys are posting about 3 videos a day, but they actually get most of their income from a single viral video. You can see they're hitting a viral video about every 5 or 10 videos they upload. Here's one with 1 million. Here's one with 2.7. Here's one for 1.7. If you just do the maths, these guys are making an incredible amount of money. This video here with 13 million views is worth well over $3,000, and these videos take about a minute to generate. All I'm hoping to achieve by building up these new Facebook pages is to generate an extra $3,000 to $5,000 a month. So I would only need to get one viral video a month to make that come true. Here's a look at the page that I've started to build out, and you can see I've already had some fairly early success with a page that's only 10 days old. I've got a video with 141,000, I've got a video with 109, and I also had this video down here that did 106,000. So I'm going to continue to upload 2 or 3 videos every day, and when I hit that mark, I'm going to share with you how difficult it was to get into the monetization program, and I'll give you earning updates every week. So that seems a fairly simple blueprint to earning money online, just posting viral reels generated in Sora, but you will run into a few problems. The first problem is that if you're generating videos in the Sora app or through Sora.com, they will come with a fairly large, nasty watermark. It's actually quite easy to get rid of that watermark with a website called magiceraser.org. And then you want to go to the video tools and go to video watermark remover. I'm going to drag in a Sora video that I generated. Then you just use this middle tool here basically to highlight the Sora watermark. It's got a couple of different places that it pops them. So I just highlight all of them like that. And then once I've highlighted them, I select remove now. I think Magic Eraser will let you do maybe 10 or 20 free removals a day. And then if you want to do a lot more than that, you need to use one of their paid accounts, but it resets every 24 hours. One small issue that I've found using Magic Eraser, which is the best video watermark remover that I've found, is that you still get some weird kind of smudging on the video, and the people who are in the know will see that you have used a watermark remover and they'll instantly spot your content as Sora 2. The other issue is that the Sora app and the Sora.com website are only accessible currently from the United States. So you'll need a VPN, and they also require an invite code. I've got some separate videos about how you can get access to Sora, but if you're outside of the US or you don't have an invite code, you can get access straight away through a website called OpenAI. They have the ability to generate Sora 2 videos without any watermark at all. I am an affiliate of OpenAI, so if you use my link to use one of any of their paid plans, you'll get 50% off. All you need to do is go to the left-hand side where it says video. From here, you select text to video, and then you're just going to then select which model you want. So we're going to use Sora 2. They also have all the other major high quality AI video generation models available through OpenAI if you want to try any of them out. From there, it's as simple as putting in a text prompt, asking it what you want the video to be about. You'll generate your video and download it without a watermark, and it's ready to post. So my best advice, and from all the research that I've done, is that the Sora 2 videos are completely monetizable on Facebook Reels, as long as you don't have a watermark in them, and as long as they're ones that you have generated. You're not just going to be repurposing other people's videos that have been generated, because the system will detect that as non-original content. So I look forward to sharing my progress with you. You can see that I've had some early success with these Sora videos, and I'm looking forward to sharing with you how this Facebook page grows and how much it actually pays me, and then you can get some real concrete evidence and follow along with my progress. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.